It's Marcus from TextBot, and I'm excited because if you're watching me, you are on the page of one of our affiliates. And we've got people from all over the world, thousands of people sharing Ava. Listen, if you're going to be on your phone, which you are literally on your phone right now watching me, don't you think it's about time you start making some money? Aren't you tired of seeing multiple people breaking away from their 9 to 5? You know, school taught you, go to school, get good grades, get a good job, get married, have kids, and die. And there are so many people that want the lifestyle of freedom. But here at TextBot, you're gonna be able to get that. Here's what you need to do. DM the person that shared this video with you and just type, I want in. They're gonna ask you a few questions to kind of pre-qualify you to see if you are fit mentally, emotionally, to see if you have the integrity, the character, and the hunger to be in this community. After they've asked you a few questions, you know, what you're looking for, what you're looking to make per month, you know, what's your mindset? Are you a go-getter? Are you able to follow instructions? Are you a fast learner? Once you've answered these type of questions, they're gonna send you their link. They're only gonna send you their link because they believe that you're gonna be the type of person that takes action. Be the person that you wanna connect with. You don't wanna be with bench warmers. You don't wanna be with tire kickers. You don't wanna be with people that are afraid to change, that are afraid to evolve, that are afraid to leverage artificial intelligence. We have the software that you need to leverage the power of the internet to help business owners, to help entrepreneurs, to help affiliate marketers, to help anybody from anywhere who's looking to change the game and make money online. All you gotta do is share this video. I do all the selling, all the telling, all the explaining. You get the link, you get paid instant and direct. Let me ask you a question. How would an extra $100 to $500 a day change your life? If you're watching me, I need you to DM the person that shared this video and just type I want in. TextBot, it's about to change the game. I see you on the inside. Let's go!
Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. Before we get started, guys, do me a favor, go ahead and click that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Welcome to my channel. All right, I want to talk about TextBot real quick, the chatbot. Okay, I know a lot of people say, hey, well, Ava is going to communicate with your leads for you, and you're wondering, well, how is Ava going to do that? So really today's video is going to be me going into the back office, and I want to show you where you can go and check that out and see that Ava is communicating with your leads. Okay, and not to mention I had a couple more sales to come in, so I'm going to show you proof of that, that Ava is still working, and it is a great system to have. Using Ava, you're going to be able to promote. It's a 2-for-1 is what I like to call it. It's going to promote TextBot itself, and then you're also able to promote your primary business if you have a primary business. Okay, and I'll show you that Ava also promotes that for you, and where you can see that in your back office. Okay, so let's go check it out. Okay, so we're in my back office. So you're gonna go here. Let me go up so you can see this is right here. This is my back office. That's a picture of me. Okay, so you go over here, right? You're at your dashboard. Let's move this over, and you simply, guys, hit basic and go to chat. And I want to show you this is real live so you can see this, well, real time in my back office. This is when folks go dial the phone number. Okay, when they dial the phone number and they're communicating with the chatbot. Okay, so let's click on Michelle. Just recently joined as well. So let me just show you what TextBot was communicating with her. With what TextBot was saying to her. So check this out. Okay, here's an example of what it says. Okay. So obviously when she first came in, it said, hello, this is Ava with TextBot. You know, she dialed the number. Please reply yes to confirm your request to give us permission to send you automated text messages, right? It keeps moving. And so she said yes. Okay, in black is her and in blue is the system. Okay, so she said yes. And it says here, I'm sorry, I can't text you anymore unless you reply yes. So she said yes. And then it says, hi, it's Ava. Thanks for giving, this keeps moving, thanks for giving me permission to text you. You can respond stop at any time to be removed. So what's your name? And so she says Michelle. And then it says immediately, go to this link right now to learn how this works and let me know if you have any questions. And then it comes back and says, did you get the link to learn more? Make sure you head over to this link. It tells you this link again right away to learn about how this works. And then it comes again and says, hi Michelle, it's Ava. Thanks for the chat yesterday. Okay, and it comes back and speaks about, thanks for the chat yesterday. You're going to want to also check this out. And what this is this is my primary opportunity that I have in that box for primary. So that's a whole nother link. So it's promoting my primary business to her at the same time. Okay. And then it also comes back and says, hi Michelle, it's me Ava. Did you know I have paid out over $1 million to our resellers to date? And it says go here to get started, which takes them back to textbot. So it actually does communicate. Now look at this one. This is someone that unsubscribed. Okay, so it even shows you that. Okay, so Ava keeps up with all that. And then here's another person. Let me see if I can get this one to go. See, it tells you here, that's the person that unsubscribed. So let's see if we can get to this one. Same process. This person named Rudy came in and textbot did the same thing. It's asking the question. You have to say yes. Give the textbot permission to send you the information. Then it asks what's your first name, and then it starts communicating the same actual questions that I just read to you before. So Ava actually does respond to your leads when they dial your number, guys. That's what I wanted you to see. Okay, that does work. This is real. Okay, in real time. Let's see. Now, hang on a second. Okay, now let me show you guys, if you have a primary business that you want to promote, want Ava to promote, you go here to the right where your picture is, you click profile, and you click right here where it says primary business. Okay, and when you click there, okay, let me show you. When you click there, you put it right here, URL of your primary business, right there, and click save. Okay, that's where you put that. And so when someone joins you, they're going to see a link for your primary business, and they're going to be curious to actually click it to see what it's all about. Okay, now if you go to your dashboard and you look right here, it says connect others with Ava, you're going to see your 2 websites. This is where your websites are. The company gives you 2 websites, and then if you click this little square here, this is your number. This is where you will find out where your phone number actually is, right here. Okay, so that's all you have to do is toggle between the 2 to get your websites or see what your phone number is. Okay, very, it's very user friendly, a simple system. As you can see, I've received 2 more payments as I stated, so the sales are going up. Let me show you those 2 payments. One of my payments was through PayPal. Okay, as you can see, that's a PayPal payment. Actually, I'm moving this over on Christmas Eve. Let's see if I can get this to move out of the way. Right here, December 24th. That came in from Michelle. Welcome aboard, Michelle. And then I received a Cash App payment today. So let me show you that. Okay, then right here was another payment from Cash App. The person actually sent me 110, and I had to send them the 10 back because they need the 10 to go towards their credits. So that was a Cash App payment, okay? So two more payments have come in from TextBot, guys. It absolutely works. You need to get started, get your phone number, and start earning today. Now, I've explained before that right now the price is $110. 100 will go to me, 10 will go towards your credits, okay, for TextBot to be able to communicate with your prospects. However, the company has announced as of January 1st, 2021, it's going to go up, guys. It's going to be 100. It's going to be 50 that goes to the company, and then you're still going to pay the $10 for your credit. So it's going to be 160 as of January 1st, 2021. So definitely go ahead and get TextBot now while it's $110, okay? Now, what I'm going to provide for everybody that joins me is I'm going to place one ad for you. I'm going to give you a TextBot picture with your phone number on it. And I'm going to give you, if you're interested in postcards, I've created a postcard for TextBot. This is my personal custom postcard. We're going to put your picture and your number on the postcard, and you're going to be able to leverage my payment proof on here, okay? So if you're interested in the template when you join me, let me know that, and I'll send that to you as well. So you're going to get my support, my guidance as well, okay? So I look forward to working with you with TextBot. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? Go ahead and get your TextBot number. We can get you started. You can be up and running with this, guys, in less than 5 minutes. Plug in your payment methods, whether it's Cash App, Venmo, Google Pay, Zelle, or PayPal, okay? You can receive your payments any of those ways, and you're up and running because the system is already set up, but you just need to plug in your payment methods and start sharing your number. All right, so till next time, thanks for checking out my video, and be safe out there, guys, and I will see you on the next video. Have a blessed day.